Wake wazithola decisions that you did because of your childhood traumas ekholela ophathe. And makakholela ophathe, only to find ukuthi you were not even aware ukuthi they could actually turn out this way at some point, because when all along you thought ukuthi this is the decision that you took because of your childhood traumas, and it's perfectly fine. It works for you because leya trauma leya, it's your way, it was your defense mechanism of you trying to be on a defense mode when it comes to that childhood trauma. Yeah, sanibonani guys. Today I come from a show. It was a year-end concert show for my granddaughter. If you don't know that I have a granddaughter, yes, I was looking like this in the concerts. I was looking like this, and the theme was vintage. And as I was sitting there watching these kids performing, looking happy, looking beautiful, the theme was vintage. They were doing all these songs, Sarafina, bekudlala oHugh Masekela. Yabona kudlala yonke leya nto leya engikhule mina ngiyilalela. Well, let me say engikhule ekhaya ilalelwa because my mom was the biggest fan kaHugh Masekela, Cafe Semenya, and bekudlala that kind of music today. I-vibe ibikanjalo, yabo. And today's reflection and something that I took on the show, it just immediately forced me to reflect on something that happened to me earlier this week. And what happened earlier this week, I realized ukuthi the decision that I took many years ago because of my childhood trauma, after all, it might not have been the best. Yeah, ithi ngikuchazele ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani. When I was younger, ekhaya, we are from Isithembu. Abami namakhosikazi awu-2. Owokuqala bekangahlali-ke in the area, wayehlala on another area that is about thatha 2 taxis before you get there. And le ndawo bengiyijwayele, besivakasha kamamkhulu, mina bengingaboni anything wrong. I even remember at the time whereby I saw usisi wami omdala kamamkhulu, whereby she was about to go to college ayokwenza i-nursing. Ngabona umama wakhe wayesebenza-ke ematshaldini-ke, wayeziphilisa ngokuzisebenzela ematshaldini. Ngambona etatazela, emqoqela iy'mpahla ebelungwini, efuna ama-suitcase a-right, yabo izinto ezi-right. Yabona nje ngoba phela naku unkosazana wala ekhaya ongazalo, yena ozalo mamkhulu uye college lamanesi. And ngangimncane at the time, it did not make much of a sense before. And I remember at times whereby ngizothi ngihleli nje ekhaya or ngithi ngibuye esikoleni ngifike kugcwele abantu engingabazi. Well, to me ngangingabazi because ngangimncane. I remember this time sifike ekhaya kukliniwe, kuphekiwe, kucwebezela endlini ku-right, kanti kukhona omunye usisi wami futhi naye wayezalwa umamkhulu. And mina I don't know, ngiyabuza kusisi wami engimlamayo ukuthi hayibo sisi, ubani lo ola ekhaya sephekile kwathini, athi hayibo usisi wakho wena Silima. She just responded just like this, hayibo usisi wakho lo wena Silima awumazi. Phela mina ngangingamazi, ngangimncane at the time. I did not have a great sense of cognition at the time because they would come and go, and as they were coming and going, befika ngokuvakasha bengimncane vele. So this is what happened kwi-childhood yami. As uba benamakhosikazi awu-2, ukuhamba kwesikhathi, ubaba-ke wemdala kunoma kakhulu nje, I don't know ukuthi bemshiya ngeminyaka emingakhi, but at some point ubaba wahola impesheni. Mekahola impesheni, I remember isikhathi esiningi wayeholela ngale ngasekhaya elikhulu. Ngiyakhumbula ngalezo zikhathi, the only thing I know ukuthi babehola around 700-800. So uma kahola impesheni, mina being the youngest, wayengikhonzile kakhulu baba wami. And njalo kwakuthi mengabe uzohola impesheni, umama athume mina, ngase ngikhule enough ngoba ngase ngifunda grade bani at the time, grade 8, grade 9. Ngase ngikhule enough ukuthi ngikwazi ukugibela ama-taxi awu-2 ngihambe ngiyocela le mali kubaba. And vele ubaba bengafuni omunye umuntu ukuthi a-collect le mali, ebefuna ukuthi i-collectwe yimi because at that time wayenento yokuthi ubaba wami-ke wayesazi isiNgisi, wayeyazi imithetho evuna yena. Wayenento yokuthi athi imali kufanele ilandwe yimina ngoba imina engimncane engisondliwa la ekhaya. Lo sisi wami engimlamayo she had just turned 18 at the time, and wakubeka kwacaca ukuthi angeke asaphinde amondla ngoba usena 18, akahamba ayogana athole indoda ezomshada imnakekele ngoba yena akasezukondla umuntu osekufanele ayoba umfazi kwakhe. Okay, my mom had to abide to that rule ke ukuthi this is how I ended up being the one ohambayo collector le mali. But the pain yokucollecta le mali, isikole, sometimes I would ask esikoleni ukuthi ngiphume early ngo-12 because imoto yempesheni at the time bengekho amakhadi akasasa, bebehola kufika imoto yemali yempesheni ehamba namaphoyisa ayigadile, ama-security and what not. And nobugebengu-ke those days babungakobi bad. Leya moto nje yayingathintwa umuntu, isuke edolobheni la ikhipha khona izizumbulu zemali ziyofika emakhaya, izalukazi zibamba ujenge kusukela ekuseni ngabo 3-4 abagulayo, everything konke bonke ndawonye. Izingane-ke zazingenayo imali eqolwa kwizalukazi nabantu abakhubazekile kuphela ababehola leyo mali. Okay, fine. So yayingenasikhathi sokufika ngoba yayithi mayifikile uthole ukuthi izohambela indawo mhlampe about 5-6 indawo per day. So it was always safer ukuthi ube there earlier. I remember a couple of times whereby I had to wait for ukuthi isikole siphele kuyima mina ngigibela ngiyolanda le mali, lamateksi ayi-2 or amabhasi ayi-2 kuyima ngiyolanda le mali. I remember a couple of times where I had arrived sekulate, ngifike sekuthiwa imoto yemali iholelile yahamba, and kwakuthi mekwenzeke kanjalo ngangeke ngiphinde ngiyithole le mali kubaba ngoba wayevela ahambe aziyele kwakhe. Mawufika kwakhe usuyoyigumba-ke le mali, not ukuthi I was not welcomed. I was welcome. Umamkhulu wayengenankinga nathi, sasifika sihlale lapha sivakashe sihlale kuphela amaviki, noma wayengenankinga nezingane zikamamkhulu. But ngiyafunda, and njengoba le mali collector during the week, angizokwazi mina ukuthi ngizovuka ngesikoleni ngakusasa ngiyolala kwenye indawo, fanele ngiyolala ekhaya. La yaqala khona yaba muncu was when ubhuti wami, who was supposed to be protecting me, lo muntu wayemdala esekhulile, sefundile yena efundisiwe waqedwa ngaye, esewutisha, ese-right empilweni, was a time where he started controlling ubaba because bonke babephuza. Wayevele eqe esikoleni, wayefundisa esikoleni esikeduze nala kwaholela khona, avele eqe esikoleni ngelunch, well babeyibona imoto meseyifika, meke wayibona nje imoto imali ifika, avele eqe esikoleni wavuka inkohlakala engazange ngi-understand ukuthi ayiqhamukaphi. Eqe esikoleni shwi ahambe, mekafika laphaya afika athathe imali kababa, mebeqeda lapho bahambe bayoyiphuza utshwala. Mengike ngafika late mina ngeke ngiyithole, meke ngafika seyithatha oyena ngeke ngiyithole, uzoyikhomba athi nayi, ekhomba iphakethe lakhe. I'm just using this as an example. Nayi ngeke uyithole, ngokuthole ngisho isenti. And ngibuza ukuthi imalini ubaba ayenginika yona. Le mali wayenginikeza at first ngisazi esase right, engakongeni inkohlakalo yalo bhuti wami, wayenginika u200, 250, u50 rand kubo ukugibela, 200 ngizofike ngiwunika uma. Wahamba wayinciphisa, ngangazi uyiniphiselani, yaba u150. Sengigibela kona lo 150, and ngilambile, mind you ngilambile ngiphuma esikoleni khona futhi kulo 150. Mawukuthi ngithi ngiyakhalaza ukuthi ngilambile, kuzofanele either ngibambe ibhande ngize ngiyofika ekhaya or ngithenga kuyona yona le mali, ngifika seyincunzekile. Ngangingakuthandi ukwenza lokho. I was very responsible and ngangihlonipha into ngangithi mengiyithunyiwe ngifuna ukuthi iyenzeke ngale ndlela engiyithunywe ngayo. Kwahamba le mali yancipha yabo 100 rand, and le mali kuyacaca ukuthi incipha nje nangu umuntu one-influence. Guys, ngifuna ukukutshela ukuthi from that time kwenzeka yonke loyo into leyo. Number 1, into engaqala ngayinyanya empilweni yami ngomoya wami wonke. Cabanga ngimncane 13, 12 lapho kulowo ma-ages, into engaqala ngayinyanya ngenhliziyo yami yonke empilweni yami was the queue. To stand on a queue and to wait for umuntu omncengile ukuthi akunikeze into oyidingayo ngempela, because umama wayeyidinga le mali, wayengathathi entweni ezisebenzele emajardini. So yayiwenza umehluko mase ifikile ekhaya, because 100 rand at those days kwakuyimali ebhadlileyo. Wawukwazi ukuhlanganisa kuphume igrosa, kuphume ini, izinto zazisa-cheap. Yazi guys, from that time ngicela ukukutshela ukuthi ngathi uma ngikhula ngingena ebuntombazaneni, ngazitshela, ngazenzela isithembiso sokuthi ngizofunda ngibe right, futhi ngazitshela ukuthi ngizofunda, angeke ngize ngenze ngisho i-degree nyana yaka-teaching or whatsoever, because ngase nginyanya lo bhuti wami ngithi wayekhontrola ubaba. ngathi I won't even do i-degree ya-teaching, ngiyokwenza into i-degree ento enkulu and ngifunde ngidlulele kunaye to a point ukuthi ngibe right empilweni ngale ndlela yokuthi I will never ever have to find myself waiting on a queue the whole day and waiting on a man the whole day to get something to eat. From that time, it has been my childhood trauma ukuthi ngazitshela nje empilweni ukuthi umuntu wesilisa angimlindi. That is why I am such an independent person. Angikulindi ukuthi unginakekele ngisho ngathiwa ngishadile nawe. Nalo engangishade naye ngangingalindi ukuthi ayithenge igross. Uma engafuni ukuyithenga igross ngalolo langa, ngangiphakama ngiyoyithenga mina ngokwami ngoba ngangi-afforda ngithi. I also promised myself ukuthi under no circumstances whereby I will have to wait for indoda for whatever reason. Indoda uma yona ingifuna mina or ifuna okuthile kumina or kufanele ngenze okuthile nayo, masivumelene ngokuthi ngo-2 o'clock siyahlangana siyoyenza lento, yona kufanele ifike kuqala kunami. Noma kufanele sifike kanye sisihloniphe isikhathi sethu because nami I don't want to wait for 5-10. Kumina ke isikhathi is I'm very sensitive and very cautious about time. Mangabe sengikulinde 5 minutes, to me that is 20 minutes already. So imagine ke mase ngikulinde 20 minutes, it's already that is an hour. I am not going to continue waiting for you. Once kwathi 15 minutes nje kodwa 5 minutes okuqala ngikunika allowance. Fika la, you are delayed, it's fine. 5 minutes wesibili, you are coming. 5 minutes wokugcina kusuke seku-15 minutes, kumina suke sekuyi-hour already. Remember ngithe 5 minutes to me is equivalent to 20 minutes. Usuke usuzothi noma ungaqhamuka uza kanje ngikubona ukuthi naku uyeza, ngivele ngiphenduke ngisukume ngihambe ungibuka. Why? Ngoba one, I made a promise from that childhood trauma ukuthi I will never ever have to wait for a man, no matter what the situation is. Masivumelene, bamba isikhathi sakho nami ngibamba isikhathi sami, sisihloniphe isikhathi sethu sobabili ngoba lento esisuke sithe sizoya koyenza makube ukuthi kusho ukuthi into esiyifunayo sobabili okuyinto ebalekile kuthina sobabili ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sinakekele isikhathi sobabili, not the other way around. Rather be you ozolinda mina ukuthi besiyokwenzani ke, it doesn't matter. And ngendlela engiyinyenye ngayi-queue guys, ngendlela engi-impatient ngakhona, angikuthandi ukulinda, kuyangehlula because of the childhood trauma. Funny enough, today ivele yavuka nje lento yabuya kumina because of something that happened earlier this week whereby I had to walk away from somebody ebesivumelene naye ukuhlangana sami ngesikhathi esithile. In fact besingavumelanga ngisho ukuhlangana, besivumelene nje ukuthi sophuma ngesikhathi esithile la sasisuka khona endaweni eyodwa sasikhona sobabili. And then wangilindisa umuntu wakhona, ngalinda 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Kuthe sekuyokuhlangana u-20 minutes wokugcina ngathi noma ngaqhamuka vele sengiyahamba, ngangena emotweni yami ngahamba. But I am reflecting now and I'm asking myself ukuthi kukangaki ama-childhood traumas esiphoqa ukuthi siviewe impilo ngehlo le-childhood trauma, not ngehlo lempilo esiyiphilayo thina ngaleso sikhathi. I've been asking myself, and this weekend has been the best weekend ever for me. It was supposed to be even more exciting because as I'm talking to you right now, I'm in Joburg. And I was even looking forward to the drive from Durban to Joburg because we were driving and being a driving it. I was looking forward to that, but something clicked in me. I realized ukuthi ama-decisions esiwathathayo in a situation bad, out of emotional hurt, abuse, childhood traumas and everything, akumelanga kube ama-decisions alawula iy'mpilo zethu zonke ngoba ngelinye ilanga uyophuthelwa ukuphila ngenxa yokuthi wena usabambelele entweni endlulile eyakuhlukumeza, but uyiphila manje. And it so happened ukuthi the whole of this year I've been undergoing therapy. I don't know ukuthi what I would have done ukuba bengahambi therapy this year. I don't know what I would have done entweni eyenzeke kumina ke engeke ke manje eyenzeke izolo. not izolo, today actually I wake up to this long message engayilindelanga. Well, bengiyilindele in a way, it's just that sometimes we just become ignorant of certain things. And le message le ngiyabona ukuthi kufanele ingikhube ngendlela efike ngakhona and nesizathu sokufika kwayo, kodwa because of the therapy sessions I've been doing, ayizange ngikhube. Usuku nje liqhubekile laluhle, zadansa izingane, za-act izingane, beautiful work. And yeah, I want to say to you today, ake wenze i-reflection, ubuyele back into your life, your childhood traumas, and look into the decisions owazithatha because either childhood traumas or it's either relationships akuhlukumeze to a point ukuthi wagcina usuthatha izinqumo ezithile, ngoba zonke lezi zinqumo esihambe sizithatha empilweni ngenxa yama-experiences sigcina sesiphila impilo yomuntu ongesiwena, uphenduka ube yinto ongeyona ngenxa yokuthi ushintshwe umuntu wasemhlabeni okuhlukumezile or wenza whatever yenzile kuwena, but wena kahle kahle isingawe, ukudalwa kwakho the way ungakhona, awuyona lento le osophenduke wayiyona. Bangakhi abantu besilisa nabesifazane today who are going around hurting and destroying a chance of somebody who was going to be able ukuthi akupholise amanxeba owawagwazwa ama-relationships odlula kuwona, kodwa ngenxa yokuthi usabambelele kwi-past awukwazi ukubona futhi you will never get that chance because lithi mayifika leyo chance ufika umuntu observant, izinto ezingathi shu, ufika umuntu obuka ukuthi kukhulunywa kanjani nawe, ufika umuntu ocikeka without understanding i-character yomuntu, ufika umuntu ocikwa ngisho nayi-voice kaZandile le ukuthi uZandile u-loud sidalwa kanje, kwayona leyo icike. Meanwhile, akwakuyinika ne-chance le voice ukuthi uyilalele ukuthi it becomes pitch high mawenze njani. All along, you are living a life that is based on your past experiences and your childhood traumas and your problems and family history and whatnot. Kukangakhi uzincisha ithuba lokuphila. Ayingibeke kanjalo, kukangakhi uzincisha ithuba lokuphila ngenxa yokuthi wena ubambelele entweni yakudala. It happened to me. As I'm telling you, this week earlier, I did snap. Nganyanya ukuthi I told myself that I'll never wait on a queue for such a long time unless it has got money in it. I'll never wait for money. Another thing eyangenza nganyanya i-queue is uku-applyela u-NSFAS uma mengenayo imali yokungifundisa. Uvuke ngo-2 ezintathu yobamba i-queue. I told myself mangiphuma lapho ukuthi ngifundela ukuthi I will never ever have to stand on a queue in my entire life ever unnecessarily. I told myself ukuthi I will never ever have to wait for a man so that ngizolanda ngidlile. So indoda ezokwazi ukuthi ibe nesibindi sokungilindisa the whole day or the whole time ingasirespect isikhathi sami, kusho ukuthi vele leyo ndoda leyo akuyona yami. Or any other thing ezongenza ukuthi ngilinde that long, kusho ukuthi vele leyo into leyo akusiyona eyami. Reflect and look back. Kukangakhi uzincisha ithuba lokuphila again ngoba wena uyaphefumula kodwa sowuhamba nomzimba nje onenyama ehlangene nomphefumulo, umphefumulo nje ohamba ufile uphila, wabulawa ama-traumas ondlule kuwona empilweni, be it relationships, be it childhood traumas, but akubulele lama-traumas because uphila kuwo in the present but wona are in the past. In the present, currently, things that happened 5, 6, 10 years ago zikwenza ukuthi ungakwazi ukuphila because you've taken ama-decisions azokwenza ukuthi uyeke ukuphila. So what are you going to do in the end? Uzophenduka umthakathi wena self, uzohamba wena uphuma ungena ulimaza abantu babantu abangenacala ngenxa yokuthi wena wayeka ukuphila ngenxa yalowo ma-decisions owathathile. Right? Reflect. This is from me to you. Reflect on this. I just wanted us to reflect. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. And as I'm standing here, rain just came. What does this mean? Blessings are still coming my way. I love you.